Hi guys! Today sa vlog ko, samahan nyo muna kami sa kulitan ng aking mga alaga, si Chiki at saka si Nessie. Kumbaga, today ang vlog natin is dito lang sa loob ng bahay kasama yung mga alaga ko. So, tara! Buhay OFW, pauwi na after duty. Pagdating ng bahay, magluluto, maglilinis, tapos kakain, tapos mag-edit ng YouTube. Yan ang buhay ko dito sa ibang bansa. Oh. Good evening, mga Killer Smile. Dito tayo sa bahay today kasi lalambing yung baby ko. Ayan, naglalambing siya. Tapos yung isa naman nagtatampo. Asan ni na Nessie? Nagtatampo siya. Bam 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 bum 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 bum. Chiki, baby ko. Ang lambing talaga ng aso ko. Sobrang lambing ng baby ko, Chiki. Lambing ng bebe ko. Bebe ko. Sobrang lambing naman ng bebe. Tumitingin pa siya ng TV. Bebe ko. Sobrang lambing naman. Bakit? Nessie? Bakit? Nessie? Hindi na. Tatampo na naman si Chikikay. Tatampo na, kuwawala naman si Chikikay. Chikikay, nagwawala na naman si Chikikay. Nagwawala na naman ang baby ko. Nessie. Bakit? Ayan, nagagalit siya. Ay, nagano siya. Bakit? Bakit? Bakit, Chiki? Nessie? 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 Bakit? Nessie, saan ka pupunta, Nessie? Bakit? Mamigigil ako sa'yo. Bakit? Gusto na bumaba? Liga. Bilis. Liga. Lalaro. Ayan lang mga Killer Smile, buhay namin dito sa apartment, sa bahay. Ayan lang. Malambingin sila. Malambing yan si Chiki. Lalaro. Chiki. Nessie. Tara, Chiki, labas na tayo. Tara, labas. Excited siya lumabas. Tara, labas na tayo. Tingnan niya. Alam niya talaga pag gusto niya lumabas. Gusto niya masyal. Labas na tayo? Gusto lumabas ng mga baby ko. Nessie? Labas tayo? Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta? Ayan guys, gusto nila lumabas dalawa. Nag-aantay lang sila sa akin. Yung isa, yung isa nag-aantay lang. Kunwari, silip-silip sa pinto. Gusto na talaga lumabas si Nessie. Nessie! Sino na lumabas, bebe ko? Sige, labas na tayo? Ha? Labas na tayo, bebe ko? Ha? Labas na. Bubuksan ko na. Labas na. Excited. Hindi pwede, nakalock ang pinto. Bawal. Excited. Excited. Bakit? 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 Gusto niyo lumabas? Ba't gusto niyo lumabas dalawa? Nessie, gusto mo rin lumabas? Bakit? Sige, labas na tayo. Tara na. Tara, labas na tayo. Tara na. Labas na tayo. Pasok muna doon. Pasok dyan. Dyan sa loob. Pasok na dyan sa loob. Diyan kayo sa loob muna. Pasok na dyan sa loob. Nessie. Pasok na, baby. Tara na, labas na tayo. Labas na. Pagod na, hindi ba lalabas? Hindi tayo mamamasyal. Pagod na. Pagod na si Nessie. Pagod na Nessie. Lambot talaga ng mga alaga ko. Sobrang lambot nila guys. I love you, Nessie Chiki. Tara, dito tayo. Dito. Akyat. Tara. Tara. Nessie, Chiki. Dika dito. Akyat. Nessie. Ayan. Oh. Nessie. 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 Bakit? Tara, kain tayo. Guys, paborito ko talaga po ang Spanish. Sa every week, binibili ako nito. Minsan chocolate cake, minsan ito. Sarap-sarap. Nessie. Okay. Nessie. Bigyan mo naman si Nessie. Share mo sa sister mo. Okay. Nessie. Inubos na. Nessie. Nessie, kain na tayo. Kiki. Bukas pala guys, meron akong i-upload na video, may ginawa ko sa store. Decide. Ngayon, kain muna tayo. Kiki, halina, labas na.
Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever we have any new videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our social media as well, TikTok, Instagram, it's all down below there. So, guys, let's go in there now.
Kay Nessie naman, mamaya na Chiki. Inagaw na talaga ni Chiki, oh. Nessie. Maarte din, ayaw kumain. Ay, bilis! Ubusin mo na ng Chiki. Amoy-amoy pa eh. Ito pa, marami pa oh. Guys, paborito ko talaga. Ewan ko ba, ba't gusto ko talaga lagi may cake. Paborito ko talagang cake, kahit anong cake, kahit kahit pancake, paborito ko basta may cake. Pero mas paborito ko mga Killer Smile, chocolate cake. Pero pag walang choice, yung mga ganitong cake na lang. Di ba Chiki? Paborito din ni Chiki yan kasi alam niya talaga pag kumakain kami ng cake. Sige, pati dila ba? Didilain mo pa talaga. Binigyan lang kita ng marami. Nauuhaw ako. Nessie. Sige, tama na. Marami na. Dila na lang, oh. Tama na, ha? Nakadalawang cake ka na. Tama na. Dila lang. Ah, ito, dila. Manot na TV chicken. Manot lang tayo ng vlog. Guys, ganito lang kami dito sa bahay. After ng work, pag uwi ka ang bahay, after kumain, uupo dito sa... Tapos ayun yung mga alaga ko, tingin-tingin lang sila sa akin. Tapos minsan nilalaro ko sila. Ay, hindi naman pala minsan. Baga everyday pagdating ko nilalaro ko sila.
When you squat, I can see your cooking game, you know that?
I see your cooking king.
Noticing it, they're going to be like that in front of you watching it. Yeah, but look at what you're wearing, that's ridiculous. You might as well go to the gym, you don't feel underwear, you don't need to wear that. You're basically half naked as it is now. Huh?
Can you see a lot of girls wearing like this? Ikaw, okay. You always wearing up my,
Does that mean that you have to wear that as well then? There's no point vlogging.
Franco, I'm vlogging. How can you see? It's running or it's recording.
Chiki, tama na. Give up na. Give up na, bebe ko. Tama na.
I'm sure everyone in the vlog, you know, even the guys watching the vlog, if their girlfriend or wife, whoever, even their mother, they go to the gym like that, wearing those shorts with your weight hanging, king hanging, susu pushed up, everything hanging, showing, they will agree.
You're so old-fashioned.
I'm not old-fashioned. I'm not old-fashioned. It's just ridiculous.
Nakakatawa talaga sila. Mag-asawa.
Hanging out, and squatting like this and smiling at everyone. What do you think? What would you say? Huh?
Like that.
Huh?
Flexing fast.
Okay, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go upstairs and put something on of the equivalent of what you're wearing. Huh?
Sige na, boy. We have no time. We're going to London.
Yeah, then if you want to go to the gym, then wear something that's appropriate. Put some trousers on, or put a t-shirt over, because that's definitely not going to go to
Chiki, tama na. Give up na. Wala nang cake.
Something like that to the gym before. You always wear like a t-shirt or trousers. Why today you're wearing that?
Because my trousers, my leggings are... I need to wash them all of it.
You bought 3 the other day. Sorry, your sister sent you 3.
No.
Yeah.
I bought them already, all of it.
Huh?
You don't like it? Di ba labis? O tingnan nyo naman, ask them. It's nice, isn't it?
You better not turn to the front of the screen, because if you show the front, this video will get blocked on YouTube because your cooking king is showing.
Cooking king.
Hello.
Cooking king.
Look, when it's one another. Why does it go? Oh, nothing, showing.
Why do you not push your ass out like that? It's not, I think you're doing it on purpose.
I don't like that. I just get big ass.
That is
So,
not doing
when I do
it.
like that, my ass is showing like that. Isn't it, see? What?
Chiki, ayaw talaga mag-give up, ha? Tama na. Maglaro ka na dyan. Hindi na kita papakainin.
Work out routine.
Yeah.
At the gym.
Wait there. I'll show you how to dress at the gym.
Okay. DJ naman ito. Labas tayo. Bye, I'm going. I'm walking instead. I'm going out now. Bye. Pikon. Habulin mo ako. Pikon. Sino na mga tigtingin sa akin? Wala na ba mga tao, mga kapitbahay yun, mga vampira, mga kapitbahay natin? I'm blushing.
Cheeky? Ay, hindi pa talaga umalis bebe ko?
The distant neighbor, I think we're in a wrong turn movie. Aray, hinas mo ako.
Yeah, put that on. Okay, put this on. This is what you usually wear, no?
Hello. Hello.
Come on, because we have to do this. We have to be, no, it's, put some leggings on then. Put leggings on, and then dress appropriately. Huh? Come on. Otherwise, it's not, you're not going to go to the gym. Like that.
Ikaw, mag-iis yung DJ lang.
Why are you filming this as well? Why are you keeping? What, are you going to post something like, what is this, man? Are you pranking me?
Why am I pranking you?
No, because all of a sudden you're wearing this. You know what you didn't do like this, huh? Wearing this, huh? Look, stand straight. Hang on a minute, stand straight. Look at the side. Get your ass upstairs. Get into trousers on. And dress appropriately, woman.
Sige, madami na ba?
Cheeky?
Okay na 2 years.
Okay yan.
Go on. What are you doing here, man?
I'm bored.
Are you pranking me with this? Is this up? Because I was peacefully doing the gardening in there, and all of a sudden I see the door fly open, saying, "Are you ready?" With that fucking king talking to me.
Talking good.
So we got to something crazy again, huh?
No.
I'll get it, huh? Give me that kitty again. I'll go that kitty again, huh? Is this a prank, huh? You're laughing all the time. Look at this, huh? You know,
I just want to go to the gym. Nah.
well, if you're not pranking me, you're not going to the gym like that. That's definitely sure. I'm going to lock this door as well.
I don't locked it.
Don't get out.
So, sinaratuhan ako ng pintuan. Balikan natin yung sa garden. Ayaw mo pala akong pajima. Ayan. Pagpipa na naman natin yan. Hi!
Ay, Cheeky? Tama na, bebe ko. Give up na. Wala ng cake. Ha? Wala ng cake. Tama na.
Because you're looking at my booking cake.
Kuha tayo konti. Grabe guys, sa sobrang init, din ako nagdamit. As in, mainit talaga. Mainit kasi pinapatay ko yung aircon. Pinapatay ko yung aircon sa sala. Kasi doon ako lagi umuupo, nanonood ng TV. Ayan guys, huwag niyo kalimutan subscribe ang YouTube channel ko. Ayan. Good morning. And thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe on my YouTube channel, RB Killer Smile Garcia. I will put the name here of my channel